Hello, my name is Gulam Qadir Parvez and I am from Cohort Coral Batch. This video is about End Course Capstone Project Module 1. In this project, we have given 20 coding problems. So I have solved all the problems and I have to explain 5 problems from the 20 coding problems. So I am going to explain my first problem from the section Code Bug Fixing. And there is the first question, calculate BMI. So there is a code given in and there is an error in this code. So I have made my own solution without error. So the main error in this code is incorrect logical operation in if else statement. In the if condition we are using logical or operation instead of logical and operator. When computing BMI, the upper limit to each comparing BMI to the upper limit is comparing category. This will result in incorrect categorization because the condition will always evaluate to true. So we should use logical and operator to check if BMI is within the specific range. So what I did here is instead of logical or operator, I am using logical and operator. And the second problem I am going to explain is also from the code bug fixing, the convert temperature. So here in the question, given the solution which is there is a bug in this solution. So the I have made my own solution without the bug. So the main bug in this question in this solution is incorrect formula. Incorrect formula for temperature conversion here. So I have fixed the error in my solution. Here in the given code we are using modular operator. Here in the given code we are using modular operator instead of the division operator. I use the correct formula here for converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Here, instead of modular operator, I am using here the division operator. The third question I am going to explain from the improvised perspective to the coding problem. Question number 6, 5 longest word. In the question, there is given a solution which is correct. This is approach 1. So I have to rewrite the above code using the for of loop as the saying in the question. So I am going to explain how I did this. So first of all, longest word length. Here the function longest find longest word. This function used to find the length of the longest word in the input sentence. So the first line here, const word equal to sentence dot split. This line split the input sentence into an array of word by using the space character here. By using the space character as the delimiter. After this word array contains in individual word from the sentence. Then I initialize a variable called max length. Max length here to 0. Then I start a for of loop which iterates through each word in the words array. Inside the loop, I calculated the length of the current word and stored in a variable called length. Here. This line checks if the length of the current word is greater than the max length. Inside the if block, inside the if block, the following code is executed. Max length equal to length. If the current word is longer than the previous found longest word, it updates the max length to the length of the current word. After the loop has iterated all words in the sentence, the function returns the value of max length, which represents the length of the longest word from the input sentence. Here, this is what this function is doing using for of loop. The fourth question I am going to explain is also from the improvised perspective to the coding problem. Here, this function title case, question number 7. Here, the function title case, which takes a sentence. This function means to say the each word of the sentence should be the first letter of each word should be the capital letter. So I'm going to do this. Here is approach 1 is given, which is correct. So I have to rewrite the above code using map method. So the first line here I am doing word const word equal to sentence dot to lowercase dot split. This line is doing nothing but converting the sentence into the lowercase and then splitting the words of array. In the second line, here we are using the map method, word.map here. This line begins a map operation on the words array. The map method creates a new array by applying a function to each element of the original array. Here in the last line, it joins the title case word array back into a single string with a space here as the separator title case sentence as the result. So basically we are doing this here using map method. That's it. Fifth question I am going to explain is from the logical building coding. Question number 12. So I am going to explain what the question is saying and what I did for the solution. Here, character reversal. Question number 12. In the question said to write a JavaScript function reverse string that takes a string as input and returns the string with its character reversed. So here we are doing we are assigning a variable reverse string, and this is here what we are doing. We are using the split method to split input string into an array of individual character. The empty string passed as the argument to here the empty string. Here the empty string passed as the argument to split ensures that each character in the string become a separate element in the resulting array. After that here we are using reverse method to reverse the order of element in the array. Then finally here in the last, we are using join method to join the reversed array of character back into a single string. The empty string passed here as argument to join ensures that there are no spaces or character between the character when they are joined. Then here returning the reverse string.